Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Spanish Town Hospital and we're going to give you an update on the 6-story tower that's being built. Straight ahead you can see how far they've reached. You can see the two cranes over the structure. Now the government is spending $5.5 billion to upgrade this hospital, more specifically to build the tower. And this is nothing compared to what they're going to be spending up by the university hospital to build towers up there as well. Now, as we give you the tour of this construction site and the hospital, you're going to notice the hospital is laid out flat. It was built back in the day when there was a lot of space, and the university hospital has this same layout. You can see the buildings connected via those walkways that are covered, and it's well laid out because, as I said, back in the day they had a lot of space. But now Spanish Town is one of the largest towns in Jamaica, and there is not a lot of space. So you find that the government is now building structures going up vertical 6 floors, because if you look at this video, the 6-story building is going to be the tallest structure at the hospital. And they're doing the same thing at the university hospital. They are building the towers going vertical. I think the tallest building we've seen so far is probably 2 floors. All right, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening out here at the Spanish Town Hospital. The redevelopment of the Spanish Town Hospital is one of Jamaica's major health sector upgrades. The old facility, which has served St. Catherine for more than 70 years, had become overcrowded and outdated. To meet growing demand, the government began building a new 6-story, 17,000 square meter hospital valued at about 5.5 billion Jamaican dollars. The new complex will feature a modern accident and emergency department, expanded wards, operating theaters, outpatient clinics, and advanced diagnostic services such as MRI, CT scans, X-ray, and ultrasound. It is designed to reduce long wait times and allow residents to access specialized care closer to home. Construction has moved steadily from foundation works to the above-ground phase, with visible progress on the first floors. The project is expected to be completed in early 2027, after which the facility will be equipped and prepared for full operation. Overall, the new Spanish Town Hospital represents a major step forward in improving healthcare in St. Catherine by providing a safer, modern, and more efficient hospital for the fast-growing region. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour of the hospital. Have a good day.